Thank you for watching this video training from www.intouchemr.com, the fast, integrated, and easy EMR. Visit our website for a demo and a free executive briefing on the 5 blunders to avoid with EMR.
Hey everybody, this is Nitin Choda over at www.intouchemr.com, and in this video training I'm going to tell you what you should look for in an integrated EMR solution. The ideal EMR solution should be fully integrated with scheduling and billing so that you're using one system to schedule your patients, you're using the same system to actually document how your patients are doing, and finally you stay within the same system to submit the claim to the insurance company. So it's one system that's fully integrated from scheduling to documentation to billing. How does this work in practice? When a patient comes in, the eligibility verification for the patient, the manual eligibility verification, can actually be completely streamlined, and it can be done online using online eligibility verification technology that's built into sophisticated billing softwares like InTouch Biller Pro, which are fully integrated with InTouchEMR.com. Once the online eligibility is done, the patient is actually scheduled inside the system, and once the patient is scheduled, now when the patient goes on over to the actual clinician, the patient record is already created and ready. That makes life so much easier for the physical therapist, because now the patient is already in the system and all you're doing is quickly getting through the subjective, objective, the flow sheet, assessment, plan, and finally billing and generating the claim, which comes back to the billing system, which is then overseen by the biller. So when you get an EMR system, you want a system that streamlines everything. I personally call this the unified practice workflow, because you're starting with scheduling, patient intake, you're doing the clinician's doing documentation. This stuff, by the way, is done by the front desk. This is done by the clinician, by the physical therapist, and then the clinician generates the bill that comes back to the billing system, and then the biller works within the billing system, and it's all one system. Again, it's all one system. This makes a big difference to the workflow in your practice, and that's exactly what you should be doing in your practice. If you're not, you may be making a mistake that could be costing you a lot of money in terms of time and efficiency. I mean, think about it. Even if you save, let's say, 10 hours a week with an effective system, that's 40 hours a month. If you're paying somebody $20 an hour, that's $800 a month. That's almost $10,000 a year. You can spend a couple of $100 these days and actually get cloud-based billing systems and cloud-based EMRs with no hidden fees, like InTouchEMR.com, that have everything completely integrated. And that's why I'd urge you to check out InTouchEMR.com. You can also visit our website and get a free report on the 5 blunders to avoid with physical therapy EMR. We'll just ship it to you. It's a full color report. And so whether you choose to work with us or not, it's going to be an extremely beneficial report. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're able to simplify your workflow and have what I call a unified practice workflow, right from scheduling and intake all the way to billing and final claim submission, final patient statement collection from the patient. So I hope you're able to unify everything. Thank you so much for watching, and for more information about what we can do for you, visit www.intouchemr.com. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this video training from www.intouchemr.com, the fast, integrated, and easy EMR. Visit our website for a demo and a free executive briefing on the 5 blunders to avoid with EMR.